The journey of Cadbury chocolate starts far from the factory, in cocoa farms across West Africa, particularly Ghana and Ivory Coast.
Ensure sustainable and ethical farming practices. Beans are carefully selected based on size, quality, and flavor profile.
Once harvested, the beans undergo fermentation for several days to develop their rich, chocolatey flavor. After fermentation,
The beans are sun-dried to reduce moisture and prevent spoilage during transport. They are then packed into moisture-proof. The emphasis on sourcing is critical because the quality of cocoa beans.
Once the cocoa beans arrive at the factory, they go through an extensive cleaning process to remove impurities like stones, dust, and twigs.
The beans are then roasted at carefully controlled temperatures. Roasting is crucial as it unlocks the beans' complex.
Cadbury employs state-of-the-art roasting techniques to ensure consistency across batches.
roasting times and temperatures are adjusted depending on bean type and origin.
The beans are continuously monitored to prevent burning and ensure even heat distribution.
Some factories also crack the beans and separate the outer shell from the inner nib.
The nibs, which contain cocoa solids and cocoa butter, are what give chocolate its characteristic flavor and creamy texture.
At this stage, quality checks include color, aroma, and moisture levels to maintain the high standards Cadbury is known for.
After roasting, cocoa nibs are ground into a thick paste called cocoa liquor.
This paste contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Grinding is performed under precise conditions to achieve a smooth, consistent texture.
The process generates heat, which helps liquefy the nibs naturally without adding extra ingredients.
The cocoa liquor is then pressed to separate cocoa butter, used for creaminess, and cocoa solids, which provide deep flavor.
This stage is carefully controlled for consistency in fat content and flavor profile.
Cadbury blends different batches of cocoa liquor to achieve signature taste standards.
Some products may require a higher cocoa butter content for smoother chocolate, while others focus on stronger cocoa solids for richness. This step transforms raw beans into the essential chocolate base ready for further processing. Cocoa liquor is combined with sugar, milk powder, and additional cocoa butter to create the chocolate blend.
Conching can last for several hours, smoothing the chocolate and developing flavor by reducing bitterness and acidity.
The process ensures a silky texture and enhances the chocolate's aroma.
The temperature adjusted depending on the product made, whether milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or specialty flavors.
During conching, lecithin is often added as an emulsifier to improve flow and consistency.
By the end of conching, the chocolate is perfectly smooth, rich, and ready for tempering.
This step is key to Cadbury's signature creamy texture and melt-in-your-mouth experience that consumers expect.
Tempering is a crucial step to give chocolate its glossy finish and smooth texture.
The chocolate is continuously stirred to maintain even crystal formation. Modern tempering machines use automated controls for temperature.
Once tempered, the chocolate maintains its shine, smooth texture, and ideal melting point for handling and consumption.
This chocolate process ensures Cadbury bars and products meet consumer expectations for both appearance and mouthfeel.
The result is a chocolate base that is perfectly ready for molding and packaging.
Vibrations may be used to remove air bubbles. Once filled, the molds are cooled gradually in.
Some products, like filled chocolates, undergo additional steps where fillings such as caramel, nuts, or fruit are added before the chocolate is sealed.
This molding stage transforms liquid chocolate into the familiar, ready-to-eat products seen on store shelves for consumers.
Packaging for freshness and protection. Once solidified, chocolates are carefully demolded and sent for packaging.
Packaging is designed to protect chocolate from moisture, heat, and light, which can affect taste and texture. Cadbury uses foil, wrappers, and cartons to maintain freshness. Automated machines wrap chocolates precisely,
while some specialty products are hand-packaged for premium appeal. Labels include product information, proper packaging extends shelf life, maintains texture, and preserves the signature flavor that Cadbury is famous for worldwide.
packaging is the final protective step before chocolates leave the factory. Cadbury ensures proper rotation of stock to prevent older batches from being sent out.
Chocolate distribution networks are optimized to ensure timely delivery to supermarkets, convenience stores, and online retailers. Proper storage and distribution maintain the premium quality Cadbury promises to its global customer base.
This stage ensures that consumers receive fresh, perfectly textured chocolate, regardless of location.
Cadbury chocolate, the rich, smooth flavor and creamy texture create a memorable experience.
Finally, South Asian male consumers enjoy Cadbury chocolate in a variety of ways, directly eating, baking, or gifting.